welcome back to the 30-Day Nature Connection Challenge. And today's practice is about connecting with the earth. So this is something that I like to do at the start of most sort of mindful nature connection that I do, which is really about starting from a place of feeling your connection with the ground beneath you. And it's, I think, quite startling to think that there is a whole planet taking your weight as we're sort of hurtling around the solar system, around the sun, and there is this huge planet supporting your weight and holding you here so you're not drifting off into space. So it can be nice just reflecting on that and connecting with the sense of being held and supported. So noticing what it's like, what the sensations are in your feet or your seat, or if you're lying down, the whole of your body, that connection with the ground and the feelings associated with being held in this way and supported. Maybe noticing any kind of emotional quality that goes with that, as well as the physical sensations. And it's really something that you can connect with any time, getting a sense of the here and now. And just bringing yourself back to a sense of feeling centered, balanced, sense of stability maybe. As if you like, you can take it further and imagine that there are roots growing down from you into the soil, and connecting you with the earth and with all the beings that are connected to the earth. As you are in contact with the ground, all the trees, all the people, all the oceans, all connected by this land that we're living on. And there's also an invitation to maybe notice a special connection to the area of land that's familiar to you, and to really maybe notice it more closely. One of the things that I find it's nice to do is to consider that if you're in a park or a garden, it probably wasn't always a park or a garden, that going back through time, it may have been farmland, it might have been under the sea at one point, may even have been mountains in the sort of distant history, might have been connected to different sort of continental landmass, all sorts of things, different plants and animals, maybe dinosaurs, as well as being connected across space, you're connected back through time, and also through into the future as to what might be where you're resting in the future. So it's really bringing a sense of curiosity and connection. Just going wherever that takes you.